community helpers, pilots. Here's your table of contents, and it tells the chapters and pages of what they're talking about in particular. Ready to take off. What are pilots? What do pilots do? What makes a good pilot? You have a glossary, and to learn more, an index. Ready for takeoff. The pilot boards the airplane. She reads the airplane controls. As you can see, she's reading the airplane controls right there. Next, she radios air traffic control. The runway is clear. Time to fly. As you can see, it's taking off. Pilots fly an aircraft, such as helicopters and airplanes. They keep people safe in the air. Some pilots fly aircraft that carry passengers. Others transport goods, such as mail. These are passengers. What do pilots do? Pilots make sure the aircraft is safe before they fly. Sometimes the crew helps. And there you have one of the crew members, or what we call flight attendants. What do you think she's talking about right here? You can answer in the comment section. So parents help them as far as formulating their questions in the comment section. Pilots tell air traffic control the path they will take. This also keeps the aircraft safe. You have your radio, breaker 129, sunglasses, just in case there's a glare from the sun, compass, lets you know which direction you're going in, your speedometer, lets you know how fast you're going. Then air traffic control, there in the tower. Weather changes quickly. Pilots fly through rain, snow, or sunshine. Look at those mountains right there. Ooh. What is that called? And what type of weather do we see? What makes a good pilot? Special tools help pilots navigate. Pilots must learn to use each tool. Say pilot skills. Good communication. Good with machines. Alert. Careful. And here's some of the navigation tools. Maybe you all can identify some of these. Takeoffs and landings can be tricky. Pilots are careful to keep passengers safe. What do you think the plane is doing right here? Is it taking off or is it landing? You tell me. Here's your glossary. Your glossary, as you can see, It tells definitions. For example, air traffic control, people on the ground who help pilots take off and land aircraft. Passenger, people traveling in an aircraft. Crew, people who help pilots keep aircraft clean. Navigate, to control or direct a trip. Transport, to carry from one place to another. Let's see what this one says. A runway, an open road where pilots drive aircraft to take off and land. Fun Education Network, please subscribe to the video. Thank you. Peace, love, and we're out.